Hello, everyone. If you are seeing this error message, this video is for you. So here is the scenario. You are working on some SharePoint list and you are trying to integrate Power BI and you're clicking visualize the list and all of a sudden you're getting this error message. You cannot use Power BI to visualize this list. Looks like the feature for visualizing list is turned off. Please contact your admin to enable this feature. So who you will be contacting? SharePoint admin? No. This is Power BI issue, not SharePoint issue. So it's not, the issue is not with SharePoint list, but with Power BI. Let me show you. First, you cannot use Power BI. Then feature for visualizing list is turned off in Power BI. And you are under Power BI, not in SharePoint. So if you have at least read access to SharePoint, there are no problems in SharePoint. So Power BI should be able to get this list. Yeah, now you can see that I logged in under Miriam. And here I'm under Miriam 2. But if I go to administrative center, so now I log it in under the global admin, and from all admin centers, I would choose Power BI. As a regular user, you will not be able to do this. So this is just for your information. So from here, under tenant settings, under integration, I will search integration, but I would search SharePoint. So there is under integration settings, there is integration with SharePoint and Microsoft Lists. And under these settings, there is a button, enable it or disable it. So your Power BI admin might have disabled this. So this is why nobody in the tenant can integrate the list, or they might have this enabled, but only for specific security groups. So in my environment, I enabled integration of Power BI with Microsoft and SharePoint lists only for this security group members. And if I go to this security group members, I can see that only one member, Megan. Now, let me close this screen and try to re-log in under Megan. And I'm currently logged in under Megan. And if I go to the same site, to the same list, to the same place, integrate, Power BI, visualize the list, and I'll select Megan again. So now it works. So I can create a report and do whatever I need to do here. So yeah, if you facing this issue, you would just request your Power BI administrators to include you to the group. They have enabled integration for, yeah, so somehow you would request group membership or request them to enable integration. That's it. And supporting article in the description. Enjoy. Take care.